Hey my friends, let's continue the journey of the mystery jewelry bucket. We started last time, getting ready, not forgetting to put some oils so my fingers are not disgustingly dry. So last time we started on this bucket that I got from my local Goodwill, as it is unsorted. Let's continue going through. I think maybe three more times or 2 more times, depending on how it's gonna go. So as a reminder, if you like anything you see in this video, please email me at yourvintagebeauties@gmail.com with your what's going on with our that's interesting. Okay, good. With the timestamp of the items you'd like to purchase and a brief description of the item. Okay, all right, let me pull some items out. Okay, these are single earrings that left from the previous time. Something is weird with the focus. Okay. Let me make sure I'm getting everything out and not mixing it. Okay, that's it. Good. All right. Oh, that's a good pile. Silver tone pendant with enamel. I'll just gonna probably put it to craft. Oh, that's interesting. What is this? Liz Claiborne gunmetal. Yeah, right here. Liz Claiborne gunmetal color necklace with different colors of okay, so gold, gunmetal, silver tone. Cool necklace. I like it. 2 strands right here, 2 chain strands. Yep, really good, really good. Moving along. Oh, this is probably silver, this one. So we have natural, natural pearls, kind of iridescent color. We have kind of small faceted beads, purple beads in between. We have hook closure, shepherd's hook closure, and we have a pendant right here. It's dragonfly pendant. Not magnetic. I will need to test it for silver. Looks like silver to me. Right here it says fly. We know it's a dragonfly pendant. Very pretty iridescent pearls. Okay. Right here we have a toggle clasp bracelet, silver tone with acrylic kind of a pendant right here. Oh my goodness, it's kind of tied up on its own. Very tight. So let's see. We need to loosen this one up. Well, I'll do it later. It's just a silver tone. This is very light. It's kind of like plasticky thing. gold tone bracelet with leaves or feathers, I think, or maybe no, yeah, feathers. It's tad bit misshapen, just a tad bit right here. Other than that, it's in a really good condition, actually really good. Silver tone chain. Let's see, magnetic, yeah, magnetic chain, just a silver tone in a really good condition, kind of a square flat. We have a lot of this kind of swallows. Last time we had one. Right now we have another one. Last time the one was silver tone with black enamel, I think. Right now we have just a silver tone swallow on a chain, silver tone chain, lobster claw closure. Very pretty. Here's another one, smaller. Oh, that's a single earring. Just put it aside. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is kind of like a phases of the moon. Not magnetic. We have lobster claw, and right here we have a tag that says Lauren Spencer. I think this is like LS for Lauren Spencer. Right here. I don't see any stamps, but it's not magnetic. And right here we have a circle pendant with moon phases. We're probably gonna have a lot of pendants. Right here we have another silver tone chain. I am gonna wait and see if I have any pendants. This one also not magnetic. I will need to, I am waiting for a new acid for my silver. I think mine is old. Okay. Here's a necklace with hematite and wooden beads, and so this one maybe also wooden beads, but they colored black, or yeah, I think it is, yeah, with hematite, kind of choker style, surfer style. Oh my goodness, look at this ring. It's a froggy ring. Look at him, he's so cute, and his paws, or whatever, what do you call it, legs are kind of hugging the finger, and it can be like adjusted ring. Cutie patootie, froggy face. It's like plastic eyes. So cute. This necklace is very pretty right here. What's going on here? This one. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. So we have kind of a silver tone, kind of closer to white. Very, very light silver tone necklace. We have, how is it possible? That's interesting. Oh, here it is. These are kind of 3 cords, 3 strands, 3 cords, and we have rhinestones on each. Right here we have rhinestones on each. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. No name, no stamp. Oh no, there is a name, I think. Oh, I thought there was a name. Oh no. Oh no, not at all. I thought it was some tag. No, there is no tag. Very pretty, very pretty, very pretty necklace. Okay. A gold tone necklace with the bar, horizontal bar. Oh, wait a minute. Let's take a look. What does it say? Oh, 1/20th. Oh, no, 1/20th. 14 karat, I think. Gold something. Oh, so hard to see. So hard. Okay, let's take a look. 1/20th. Oh no, it's HX Goldfield, or 14 karat Goldfield. Well, it's Goldfield necklace. That's good. So we have a chain with this bar, and on this bar we have someone's, oh, I don't know what it means. 34.1425 and 118.2551 W. Is that an address? Oh, that's interesting. I don't know what those numbers mean. Huh. Okay, well, here we go. Gunmetal color necklace, big chain links with this pretty lobster. The rhinestones are here. I don't think I'll be able to test those. Magnetic, but it's really pretty. Lobster claw. All right, if you like untangling, this is your time. If you don't, you can scroll forward. Oh. Oh, wow. What happened here? That's really tight, guys. This is really tight. I don't know how she got herself so tight. Oh, we did it. So we have a gold tone chain, I think. Yep, gold tone chain. Probably some pendant lost it. Putting it aside. All right, so this, okay, so this is very, like, I'll put it aside for now. What is this? This is multi-threaded, multi-stranded chain necklace. Let's see if we have a tag. No, we don't have a tag. It's 3 strands, pretty long necklace. Yeah, pretty long necklace. It was kind of muted gold tone with this kind of plastic beads and look like plates. I'm most likely gonna put it to craft, guys. All right, gold tone necklace. No name. Pretty clean condition. Plastic or acrylic cabochons. Different colors, some darker, some lighter. That's pretty cool. Very clean condition. Lobster claw is very clean. Very pretty. Very pretty. Very nice, kind of a butterscotch color cabochons. Alright, we have silver tone necklace. We have a silver tone chain. And on the chain, we have lobster claw. And on the chain, we have a key and a beautiful chest. Chest, you can, oh my god, chest can be opened up. Look how cute it is. You can then close it. Oh, wait a minute. Chest is silver. Yeah, 925. This chest is silver. This key, on the other hand, I doubt. I'm not even sure it belongs here, but they're together. This chest is silver. 95. But the chain is not. I don't think so. It's not magnetic, but I don't see any stamps or anything. Yeah, I doubt it. But the if you guys want me to, what I can do, I can remove whatever is not silver and find the chain for this treasure chest, kind of the same color, because it looks a bit tarnished on purpose. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. You can put secrets in there. Okay, I can find silver chain for this one. Gold tone chain. The stars. I am not sure how comfortable it is to wear it, because the stars are kind of pointy and they might be kind of poking you. Not sure, but it's really pretty. Really pretty gold tone. Single earring with purple rhinestones. Oh, that's interesting. Let's double check. So this is, what does it say? Miranda Frey. We have a gold tone chain. Right here is the tag for Miranda Frey, MF. Right here we have, oh, wait a minute. It looks like it says something, hard to see. I'm gonna look in with my really hard to see even with my loop. It says Goldfield, guys. This one says Goldfield. It says 1/20th 14K Goldfield. Let's take a look if this is anything. It's glass. Right here we have a very pale green glass faceted rhinestone. All right, so around the fray, a gold filled necklace. One more silver, oh, it's a silver necklace right here. I mean chain, silver chain right here, $9.25. I'm gonna see if we're gonna find any pendants that's been let loose. Maybe we just put that silver chest on this chain. I think that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. So right here we have a silver tone chain with silver tone key with rhinestones, and right here we have a silver chest on a silver chain. It's kind of square, I think. Yeah, here we go. Here's the necklace. Bronzy color pin. No name, I don't think. No name. We have kind of like sewing kit, scissors, like the yeah, thimble and stuff, and a measuring tape. Pretty cool brooch. A silver hoop earring. I can see 925 right here, right there, but it's a single one. We'll wait if we find another one. Right here we have a suede necklace with bronzy closure, and right here we have glass beads. Right here we have glass beads. Yep, glass beads. Very pretty. Suede is not too bad. Yeah, not bad at all. Seems like no one was wearing it. Very cool. One more pin, C closure. I think this is pewter. So, oh my goodness, we have a bow and we have cameo. Here we go, kind of like grayish bluish color. Very pretty pin, and all the rhinestones are AB coated. Aurora Borealis. All right, I think this is a belt. We have gold chain with the suede inside, a gold tone chain with big lobster claw, and at the end right here kind of a charm with a coin look. Yeah, I think this is belt right here. Very decorative, nice belt. Okay, let's take a look at this. Seems like a lot of tangles here. So we have a gunmetal color chain with a lot of chains hanging off of it as decoration. Lobster claw, no name, and it's kind of like this. Very pretty. They just need to be like straighten up a bit. Oh, this is so cool. I like it. Very cool. Let's take a look at this one. This is also multi-threaded necklace, kind of pewter look-alike metal, kind of silver tone pewter look. Few strands. Some of them are chained, some of them have real pearls. Yeah, rhinestones or tiny pearls. This one probably faux pearls, I'm not sure, I don't know, but it's really pretty. It's layered. Yeah, right, layered, pretty cool. Oh, this, I don't know what this is. That's a bead. That's a bead for something. Not quite sure what for. Just a loose bead. Okay. So we have a necklace right here. Silver tone pull, kind of like a bolo tie pull, and we have two. It's very twisted, needs to be untwisted, and we have kind of two. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one to craft because I don't know what to do with this one. Let's take a look. We have silver tone chain, very pretty, very pretty. Links are kind of bent like this. It's magnetic. It's magnetic, but it's probably way, yeah, look at this, look how pretty it is. Very pretty. Oh, this is very old brooch. She's seen some better days. So it's flower, enameled flower. Very pretty though. Very vintage. I'm not sure if it's actually works. Wait a minute. Oh no, it works. It works. Yeah, it works. Yeah. Very vintage. What do we have here? Take a look at this one. Another Liz Claiborne necklace. Right here we have LC on a tag. Right here it says Liz Claiborne. Yeah, they're very bright, the color changing ones. It's pretty cool. Cool to wear it to the club. It's gonna be very bright. Okay, so we have necklace right here. They're not glass, guys. They're just acrylic. This clear one. Oh, you know what? Never mind. Right here, one is missing. But I think I have one to fix it. It actually this size. Right here. I will fix it. If not, I will let you know, and it will be in craft. But I think I have it. It's really pretty. I'll put it aside to fix. Okay, what is this? Okay, so Interestingly enough, as long as I'll figure out what's going on here, I can tell you what it is and why it's like this. Okay. So, okay, so what do we have here? I think accidentally this got tagged with this. I'll tell you in a second. This thing is very cheaply made. This going to craft. But these guys is pretty cool. And I think we can, this is natural. This is all natural stones. This is pretty heavy. This blue one goes to jadeite, and the gray ones go to kind of garnet tourmaline iolite line. It is definitely from some necklace, but that's all I have. But it's really pretty. If you just can find the chain, you know, and put it, it's gonna be very, very pretty. This is natural. This is jadeite. All right, stretchy bracelet, natural beads, very pale pink, stretches good. Okay, let's take a look at this bracelet first. Right here we have a bracelet, silver tone, I think. Charms are not magnetic, but I think they're pewter. There is some type of stamps on them, so it's kind of fairy bracelet. So what do we have? We have different charms, like we have faceted beads, kind of like AB coated, and we have different charms, kind of fairy charms, like a fairy right here, butterfly, another fairy on the mushroom, another one. Yeah, there are a bunch of fairies. This is not silver, it's most likely pewter, and we just have like a copyright sign on this one. I think it's copyright sign, or it might be Avon, like Avon has it like this. Maybe it is Avon, I don't know, but it doesn't say. But it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. What do you think? All right, single earring. This one is not magnetic, but there's nothing on it. Right here we have a necklace, lobster claw closure, faux pearls, different beads, colored. They're plastic, they're acrylic. Yeah, they're acrylic beads, so I don't know, I'm okay putting this one to craft. A gold tone flat chain, there is a rhinestone right here, very shiny. I think it's a CZ. Definitely, yeah, definitely CZ. And now gold tone chain. It's not magnetic, but I don't see anything on it. No stamps or anything. Yeah, nothing on this also. Yeah, just gold tone with the CZ crystal right here at the end of extender. Another silver tone chain, putting it aside. A very dainty necklace, a gunmetal color. I need to, yeah, it's knotted all over. I will need to untie this one, but these ones are glass. These are black glass beads. Oh my goodness, another swallow. Right here we have, I think we found one like this last time. Silver tone with black enamel necklace. Gold tone butterfly. I think gold tone, yeah, a gold tone butterfly. Do we have a necklace? Yeah, here it is. That's probably her chain. I'm not gonna untie all of it because it's gonna be forever, but I think that's her chain. Yeah, I think that's her chain. Right here we have a necklace, and I'm not sure, something's missing from here. Something is missing from here, or not quite sure, but the chain is pretty good and very solid chain. Another chain right here, silver chain, another silver chain. Here we go, right there, 95. Very nice chain. Let's see if we'll see any pendants here. Putting it aside for now. Interesting necklace, lobster claw, muted kind of gold tone. These are not glass. No. You know what? I'm gonna put this one to craft. These are kind of acrylic plastic faceted beads. Right here we have a string of black faceted beads. I don't think they're glass. Let's see. No, they're glass. They're glass. Yeah, just a strand, no closure. Yeah, just a strand of black glass beads. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this necklace. Gold tone, and look at this. My goodness. Oh wow. Look at the foil kind of texture now. This is bright. Oh my goodness, this is bright. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Here's the back. Very bright. This is a bracelet. Okay, so this is a bracelet. It's kind of big, guys, on me. Kind of big on me. So we have gold tone and we have enamel right here. This is how it closes. Maybe it's not big, maybe it's kind of like a cone like, but it's really pretty. It's really good. Very it's not too heavy, not too light, but it's nice. It's nice. really nice. Right here we have, oh, I think this is a glass holder. Yeah, this is glasses holder. So basically it's a pin, and right here where you kind of hang your glasses. There is something here, but I don't think we'll be able to read. Oh my goodness, what does it say? 5, what? Atoms. Oh, it says atoms. Okay. Probably someone's. It's pewter. What is this? Oh, it's very interesting necklace. So we have 2 strands, a lobster claw, and then they come to a V, kind of a like it separates, and then this kind of together hangs down like tassels or fringe or like this. So I don't know if I can show it to you, but basically it's like this. Very pretty. This one's a kind of silver tone with bronzy color, this plates, and then it comes in right here, like hangs like this. Very cool, very cool. Silver tone bracelet, magnetic fold over, magnetic closure. That's silver tone. Yep, silver tone. Just a tad bit where right here you can see a little bit of copper, but then that's it. It's very good on this side. Right here we have a heart brooch. It says, it does have a stamp right here. It says AJMC and the copyright, I think. AJMC. I don't know what it means, but I can research, and it says grandmas are kept forever in the heart. It's very pretty with rhinestones. Very pretty heart. Bangle bracelet, silver tone, kind of like a diamond cut right here. Magnetic. Oh, right here we have, I think it's a silver, guys. Oh yes, look at this mosaic. Oh wow, very native like. This is a glass, I think. Yeah, look at this pretty mosaic. Actually, I'm not sure. Do I see any stamps here? Yes, we see something right here inside. Let's do it. Let's see. Sterling, I think it says. Why the camera doesn't want to? Sterling and some kind of like this logo. I've never seen this logo before. That's nice. Nothing else. Yeah, nothing else on the other side. So it is sterling, and look how pretty this mosaic butterfly is. Really pretty. I think it's 6.5 or 7, close 6 3/4. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. Right here we have a silver tone chain. Come on. Silver tone chain. I think it's icing or Claire's. Yeah, it's Claire's. Silver tone chain with this circle, silver tone circle and rhinestones. I usually put Claire's in the craft. Right here we have, oh, last time we found like this with purple flowers and purple kind of flowers inside the turtles, but right now it's mint green. Same bracelet. Where is the closure? Okay, we have a lobster claw, silver tone, and green enameled flowers and turtles. Okay. New York, let's see. Oh no, not. It's Metro 7. Metro 7 silver tone necklace with this huge links. It's two-stranded, maybe? No? No, one strand, like right here, two chains. And it's just like this. Okay. Another gold tone chain. Yeah, just a gold tone chain. No stamps or anything. For some reason not magnetic, but a gold tone wears off a little bit through the chain. Oh, this is an interesting bracelet. We have a kind of bronzy colors, and this one is silver tone and the rest is bronzy, and I don't know, not my thing. I'm probably gonna put it in craft because this is kind of icky. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Oh, it fell off of this one. Oh, this is sad. Oh, you know what? I think I can fix it because... Oh, maybe not. Not quite sure what... Oh, it's... yeah, this is type of necklace where it's like fringes down. Like you can wear it and just like it's like this. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's probably craft. Right here we have a wrap bracelet. This is very pretty AB coated dark rhinestone faceted beads, and it's a button closure. You can wear it as a necklace or a wrap bracelet like this. Very pretty, really good condition. What is this? Right here we have Chico's. We have Chico's necklace, bronzy color. One strand, then it separates. You know what? Never mind. I don't like the quality of this Chico's. Look at this. It's all like lost. It's, yeah, it's craft. Oh, butterfly. Gold tone butterfly. It's probably was a pendant. Very pretty. Yellow, enameled. Single earring. I think this is silver. It looks like silver. Yeah, I think it's silver, and I think I can see it on right here, 95, and on the flower right there. I am gonna keep it, see if I can find another one in this. This is really pretty. Okay. Right here we have, here is another gold tone chain. With the letter V. I think it's Victoria's Secret or some. This is very pretty, very shiny. I mean, I wish I could video for some reason does not show the shine. They're CZs. These rhinestones are CZs. It's a gold tone chain. Oh, gold tone chain with the V, and V has rhinestones like CZs, and they're very sparkly, very good condition. Right here we have this is a craft item right here. This necklace with plastic beads. And the last one for today is this one. Gold tone, big lobster. Reminds me of, like, you know, Monet or Trifari. But regardless of what it is, I'm putting this one to craft because the this one is cracked. This cabochon is very cracked. Yeah, and the condition is not good. But if you guys can repurpose it and make maybe a bracelet out of it, that would be kind of cool if you can. And there are enough links to make bracelet out of it. Go for it, guys. All right. Well, thank you so much. Really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and leave me a comment. I will see you on Tuesday. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.